While we know that pets are the source of endless joy for their owners, sometimes our furry friends can get into trouble. Your dog can become dehydrated if they are not taking enough liquid or if they are losing more than usual. The normal range of water intake can vary significantly depending on your pet's diet and activity levels, but your dog will need around 20 to 70 milliliter of water per kg each day. During warmer weather, your dog's water requirement is likely to increase and they may need their water bowl refilled more regularly. There are a range of signs that suggest your dog may be dehydrated. Some of them are sunken eyes, lack of appetite, lethargy, weakness, collapse, loss of skin elasticity, loss of fluid through vomiting, diarrhea, passing urine more frequently. However, drinking more is usually insufficient to compensate for the large volume of fluid they are losing. If they are not suffering from the above internal problems, it's vital that you seek veterinary attention if your dog shows any changes in their urination or drinking habits. If your pet is showing physical symptoms of dehydration, they probably need veterinary attention. Having said that, there are some possible home remedies that can help to treat the mild cases. Number 1. Electrolyte supplements. Electrolyte supplements are the great way to rehydrate your dog after a tummy bug, as they are filled with sodium chloride and potassium, which also have beneficial nutrients as well as aid digestion and muscle functions. Number 2. Broth. Beef or chicken broth can be an excellent for rehydrating a dog which has been ill. This is a great option for pets which are dehydrated but won't drink water. As the broth is simply too tempting, not only will your pet be rehydrating, but they will also be getting some extra nutrients too. Number 3. Frozen treats. Frozen treats can be a great choice for dogs that have overheated when playing or in summer or in other days. It helps your pooch cool down as well as hydrate. Number 4. Wet food. Wet food are the best while they are not as great as water, but they do offer hydration to pets who might be dehydrated or on a diet. Wet foods should be consumed in small amounts to avoid excess weight gain and retain proper hydration levels. Number 1. Ensure your dog has plenty of access to fresh and clean water. Number 2. Check the bowl every few hours. Number 3. Clean your dog's water bowl daily to prevent bacteria. Number 4. Take bottles of water with you on a walk or when traveling. Number 5. Avoid exercising your dog in hot weather. Number 6. Never leave your dog in a car. These prevention activities will definitely help your dog to prevent from the dehydration. If your pet is showing signs of dehydration, you should speak to a vet for advice. If the dehydration is severe, your pet may need to be admitted for a suitable treatment. Dehydration can also suggest an underlying health problem which require blood test and other diagnostics. I hope you got all your answers for your fur ball treatment for dehydration.